Hello everyone, this is EduTechTube with another quick tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to change the name of your PC on Windows. So go to Settings, then enter in System. On left tab, scroll down to About. You can see the current name of your PC here, and if you want to change the name, just press this button, rename this PC, and type any name that you want. Hit next. It will ask you to restart now or restart later for the changes to take effect. After the restart, your new PC name will be applied. Okay guys, this is a pretty simple, straightforward process. I hope it will be useful for you. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you wish to see more of such content. I'm looking forward to catch you in my next videos.